Hey there, Titans! Welcome back to another Titan Academy video. Let's talk about input and output in TitanFlow. So TitanFlow is, of course, a workflow tool, meaning it has no user interface. So in order to utilize it, you have to invoke it from somewhere, be that a Titan product or directly from Salesforce. In both cases, you probably want to feed in some input so the TitanFlow takes that input and does whatever it does. So in order to handle input in TitanFlow, we actually use variables. So if we head over to Project Settings, Tools, Custom variables, we accept two types of variables as input, static variables and files variables. So for static, we can go ahead and give this a string value, we can give it a numeric value, and we can pass anything through into here. Now in addition, we have file variables. Now file variables can also be used as input, but unlike static variables, they can't be used as output because only TitanFlow knows actually how to handle files. So let's call this input file. And for static, let's also create an output variable. So now we have a static input, a file input, and an output variable. So how do we actually use them? So over here, let's just upload this to Google Drive. So I'm going to upload my file variable to Google Drive, and I'm going to store the link in Google Drive into my output variable. So over here, once I'm done, in order to actually return the variable as output, I must use the finish node. And over under the finish node, you can see I can select both static variables, or any one of them I want, in order to output it from the Titan flow. So in my case, I'm going to select output. So what we have now is a full flow that receives an input over here of a file, uploads it to Google Drive, and then gives me the link and sends the link back. And that's how it's done.